Welcome to my channel. Today, we will explore an intriguing and highly relevant topic: how to manifest money in your life in 7 simple and precise keys in your 2024. In this video, we will highlight the fundamental role of some of the laws of the universe of faith action and a well-structured plan in achieving financial success. Stay until the end to discover all the secrets that will change your way of thinking. Let's start our voyage by talking about some of the universal laws that govern our world. At the end of the video, after key number 7, there is a gift for you. Stay until the end to find out. They are extremely important, and putting them into practice will benefit you greatly. Key 1. The law of allowing helps us understand that we all participate in an evolutionary journey and act according to the level of consciousness we have reached, a level that dictates and conditions our behavior. Understanding this truth allows us to let others be who they are without demanding what is beyond their level of awareness, and frees us from the need to judge and force a state of affairs where the ground is not yet ready to produce an evolutionary leap. Loving ourselves, however, must never become a cause of burden, suffering, discomfort, or malaise, because it is an act of love towards ourselves to keep ourselves away, albeit with respect, from all those negative people who have not yet understood the importance of living with joy, trust, and serenity. What is the use of giving of oneself, sacrificing oneself, and providing help if we then have to feel sick, suffocated, and overwhelmed by tiredness, stress, discomfort, negative feelings? There are situations in life where saying no and confronting others with their responsibilities is an act of love towards ourselves. The true good sometimes also consists in keeping ourselves, if possible, at a distance from those people who have the insane habit of only sharing complaints, problems, and judgments. If these people are strangers or acquaintances, it will not be a problem to do so. If, on the other hand, they are people close to us, we can decide how to intervene and what strategies to implement with love to prevent their negativity from overwhelming us and draining our energy reserves entirely, because if this were to happen, we could no longer be of any help either to ourselves or to others. Key 2. The mirror of how I see myself. Others see and treat us as we see and treat ourselves. The view we have of ourselves is the same view others will have of us. If we do not respect and love ourselves enough, if we have low self-esteem, if we think we are not worth too much, if we feel bad and awkward, if we harbor conflict within ourselves, if we have an image of the self that is watery on all sides, others will treat us in respect of that image that we have given them. We see things not as they are, but as we are. We can only receive from others what we believe we deserve. If we think we deserve esteem, respect, and love, we will certainly receive it, because according to the law of resonance, we will attract by vibrational affinity that which corresponds to our energy emanations. Key 3. Faith. Faith is the root from which everything begins. Imagine faith as the seed from which the tree of your financial prosperity will grow. Without a firm belief in the power of manifestation, the rest of the process has no effect. Faith is your belief in a future reality in which you have achieved financial success. It is your certainty that what you desire is possible and that you deserve it. Without this faith, any action or plan will be meaningless. Faith is believing even before that thing happens. When we truly believe, we emit positive energy that attracts circumstances and opportunities that are in alignment with our faith. Faith is like a magnet for abundance. So, the third key to manifesting money is to cultivate and strengthen your faith. Identify what belongs to you, visualize your financial success, and believe wholeheartedly that it is possible. Now that we have established the fundamental importance of faith. Key 4. Let us move on to the next key aspect: action. Determined and consistent action that translates faith into reality. Think of action as the engine that sets the manifestation process in motion. Without action, your faith remains a dream. But when you combine solid faith with purposeful action, you begin to create real change in your financial life. Action propels you to take concrete steps towards your financial goal. This may mean seeking new income opportunities, investing in yourself through training and personal development, or even simply saving in a disciplined manner. Remember that action does not have to be massive or frightening. Even small steps forward can accumulate over time and lead you towards success. The important thing is to be consistent. Key 5. A crucial element in the financial manifestation process is the creation of a plan. A well-defined plan is like a map that guides you from point A, where you currently are, to point B, your financial goal. Without a plan, your actions can become haphazard and uncoordinated. A plan allows you to have a clear vision and strategy to achieve financial success. When creating a plan, start by clearly identifying what you want. What is the specific amount of money you want to manifest? What is your timeline for achieving this goal? Must be precise and well-defined, otherwise it will never come true if you yourself do not even know the quantity. Key 6. Make sure your goal is SMART. A goal must be specific and detailed. It must answer questions such as, what do I want to achieve? And why is this important? For example, instead of saying, I want to improve at work, a specific goal would be, I want to improve my project management skills in order to get a promotion within 6 months. Measurable. A goal must be measurable so that progress can be tracked. It must answer the question, how will I measure my success? For example, if your goal is to lose weight, you could define success in terms of calories lost or centimeters less in the waist. Achievable. A goal must be realistic and achievable. It must be ambitious but achievable. Ask yourself whether the resources and skills needed to achieve the goal are available to you. The goal should be challenging but possible. Relevant. The goal should be relevant and aligned with your values and long-term goals. Ask yourself whether the goal makes sense in the context of your life and whether it will contribute to your personal or professional development. Time-bound. A goal must have a clear deadline. It must answer questions such as, when should I reach this goal? Or by what deadline? Having a deadline helps you maintain focus and avoid procrastination. After defining your financial goal, plan the actions necessary to achieve it. These actions may include saving, investing, developing skills, seeking new opportunities, and more. Keep track of your progress and make any adjustments to the plan along the way. A flexible but well-structured plan is essential to adapt to the challenges and opportunities you encounter. The code to open the safe of your unlimited money is undoubtedly the cleaning of the cupboards. If you want to know how to do it step by step, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and like it, because at 1,000 likes, I will post the video on how to free yourself once and for all from all those limiting beliefs that dwell too much in your mind. Key 7. Fundamental is being thankful. The universe teaches us to be thankful for the things we have, otherwise we won't have new ones. The advice I give you is to be grateful for what you have. During your day, realize how lucky you are for everything you have. There are many ways to be grateful during the day. You can keep a diary where you write down thoughts of gratitude, express gratitude for people in a sincere way, say that you appreciate what they do and that you are grateful for it. Feel how much these small things bring you joy and keep creating new ones, and be thankful to yourself. You are a creator of your own reality. You can manifest what you want whenever you want. Great friend, you have stayed this far means you are tough and great in life. Burn US. Now let's examine the role of the universe and synchronicity in the manifestation process. When you act in line with your faith and plan, you begin to perceive events and opportunities that seem almost magical. These events are often the result of the interaction between your actions and the energy of the universe. As you work towards your goal, the universe responds to your positive vibrations and energy. This is what some call synchronicity. Synchronicity occurs when you encounter people, situations, or opportunities that seem perfectly aligned with your path to financial success. However, it is important to understanding that synchronicity is not random. It is a response to your actions and your faith. So, as you follow your plan and act with faith, pay attention to the signs and opportunities that the universe offers you. To better understand how faith, action, and a plan can lead to financial success, let's take a look at some success stories of individuals who have gone through this journey. Shakespeare, Newton, and Beethoven have conveyed this message in their works. Recently, Oprah Winfrey, Lady Gaga, and Steve Jobs have also supported the existence of this theory. To summarize, the manifestation of money requires a combination of faith, action, and a well-constructed plan. Start by cultivating your faith and trust in financial abundance. Then follow with consistent and determined actions that lead you towards your goal. Don't forget to create a clear plan that guides you step by step. and always be open to the surprises and opportunities that the universe puts in your path. With dedication and commitment, you are able to manifest money and achieve the financial success you deserve. I thank you for spending this time with me. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to share them below. I will gladly answer you. I wish you every success in your life.